गाइस वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल आज स्टडी अड्डा। तो आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं क्लास 8 के साइंस के फ्रिक्शन चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। फटाफट से पढ़ते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या होगा गाइस? फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। ए, फ्रिक्शन अपोजेस द डैश बिटवीन द सरफेसेस इन कांटेक्ट विद ईच अदर। इसका आंसर है गाइस रिलेटिव मोशन। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं गाइस बी, फ्रिक्शन डिपेंड्स ऑन द डैश ऑफ सरफेसेस। इसका आंसर है गाइस स्मूथनेस। सी, फ्रिक्शन प्रोड्यूसेस डैश। इसका आंसर है गाइस हीट। देखते हैं डी, द स्प्रिंकलिंग ऑफ पाउडर ऑन द कैरम बोर्ड डैश फ्रिक्शन। इसका आंसर है गाइस रिड्यूसेस। स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन इज डैश देन द स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन। इसका आंसर है गाइस लेस। हम देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। 4 children were asked to arrange forces due to rolling, static and sliding frictions in decreasing order. Their arrangements are given below. Choose the correct arrangement. A, rolling, static, sliding. B, rolling, sliding, static. C, static, sliding, rolling. D, sliding, static, rolling. इसका आंसर है गाइस सी, स्टैटिक, स्लाइडिंग, रोलिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं गाइस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। Alida runs her toy car on a dry marble floor. Wet marble floor, newspaper and towel spread on the floor. The force of friction acting on the car on different surfaces increases. Order will be A, wet marble floor, dry marble floor, newspaper and towel. B, newspaper, towel, dry marble floor, wet marble floor. C, towel, newspaper, dry marble floor, wet marble floor. D, wet marble floor, dry marble floor, towel, newspaper. इसका आंसर देखते हैं गाइस। तो इसका आंसर है A, wet marble floor, dry marble floor, newspaper and towel. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं गाइस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। सपोज योर राइटिंग डेस्क is tilt a little, a book capped on it start sliding down. Show the direction of frictional force acting on it. Guys, इसका आंसर है frictional force will act upward, that is the direction opposite to that of sliding book. फटाफट से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं गाइस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। You spill a bucket of soapy water on a marble floor accidentally. Would it make it easier or more difficult for you to walk on the floor? Why? इसका आंसर गाइस, the layer of soap makes the floor smooth due to which the friction is reduced. This makes the floor slippery and the foot cannot make a proper grip on the floor. Therefore, it is difficult to walk on a soapy floor. We may slip on the floor. Guys, next question देखते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। Explain why sportsmen use shoes with spikes. इसका आंसर है गाइस, sportsmen use shoes with spikes to increase the friction between shoes and the surface. So the shoes with spikes do not slip while the sportsmen run and play. Guys, next question देखते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। Iqbal has to push a lighter box and Seema has to push a similar heavier box on the same floor. Who will have to apply a large force and why? इसका आंसर है गाइस, a heavy object produces more friction as it is pressed hard against the opposite surface. So Seema will have to apply a larger force. Guys, फटाफट से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। Explain why sliding friction is less than static friction. इसका आंसर देखते हैं गाइस। The sliding friction is less than static friction because the sliding object get less time to interlock into the contact points on the floor. So it is somewhat easier to move an object already in motion than to get it started. Guys, next question देखते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। Give examples to show that friction is both a friend and a foe. इसका आंसर देखते हैं गाइस। Some points are given below which show that friction is both a friend and a foe. First, friction as a friend. इसका आंसर गाइस, it allows us to grip and catch any object. It helps us to walk comfortably on the floor. Third, it helps to minimize the speed or to stop any moving object. Fourth, it helps us to write. Next देखते हैं guys, friction as a foe. इसका आंसर है guys, it causes wear and tears in object. Second, it causes damage to the parts of machine and tools which further require money to get them repaired. Third, it reduces the speed of moving objects, so more force is required. Fourth, it produces hurdles in moving any object freely. Next question देखते हैं guys, question number 10. Explain why objects moving in fluids must have a special shape. इसका आंसर है guys, the objects moving in fluids must have a special shape. To overcome the fluid friction acting on them, efforts are therefore made to minimize the friction, so objects are given a special shape having pointed fronts with little broader middle portion which gets tapered at the back called streamline.